How to see message requests on Instagram. So the first step is by opening your Instagram app and then go ahead on your chats by clicking on this chat icon found on the upper right corner of the screen. Once you're right there, what you're going to do now is to click on requests right here. Simply click on that one and then you may be able to see all of the message requests that you have. For example, you have a message request before and then you hit it. You may be able to see the hidden requests right here. So go ahead and click on that one. And then on this section, you may be able to see the hidden requests. You may be able to click on the edit button found on the upper right corner. By clicking on that one, you may be able to select all of the message requests that you have and then delete all of them. So that's it. That's how you can see message requests on Instagram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.